Hello, I'm going to show you how to get set up with Flow AI for free, and by the end of this video, you will be able to create AI images and videos. First of all, you need a Google account you have been using for a while. Or it won't work, since Flow won't work with brand new accounts. Now, type Flow on your browser and go to the first link as I am showing you right now. Once you are in, click on Create with Google Flow. Check the two checkboxes and click Next. Then scroll all the way down and click Continue. And if you have a brand new account, you will see this screen. If you are still watching, thank you very much. Please make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get much more tutorials like this one.
I made this account brand new just to show you what you would see when you are starting. However, I will swap to my account, which I already use all the time. Once you land on this screen, click on Create with Google Flow, and then click on Create New Project, and you can explore it by yourself if you want.
I am going to turn the agent off so I can have more freedom. As you can see here, you have the option for images, and videos. As you can see, you have options depending on the image you want to create. For this video, I created myself as a 916 since I wanted it to be for a mobile phone. You have few models you can use. Nano Banana Pro is the best nowadays. The free version of Flow lets you generate 2K images. The paid version lets you generate 4K images. I am going to generate a picture of an old man with a football, and then I am going to click the arrow. I will leave the prompt in the description. I get 50 daily free credits, and so will you. This allows you to create 5 videos using Veo 3.1 Lite, which I was created with. I am going to animate my image now. I am going to select Video, then Frames, which gives you the best output. I am going to select Veo 3.1 Lite, which is the cheapest. You can also select Veo 3.1 Fast or Quality, but you will get less generations. No, I am going to add the image to my prompt by clicking on the 3 dots in the image and selecting Add to Prompt. Then I am going to write a prompt and click the arrow to generate. Make sure you are only generating 1 video and not 4, otherwise you will run out of credits. You can use multiple Google accounts and therefore have more credits to play with. You can add extra instructions to the prompts and customize it according to your own ideas.
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Oh, say, oh, say.
Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. There will be a lot more coming about AI.